Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about a new AI tool that generates images and logos with text. The tool is completely free to use. We'll try to create a custom logo for our channel using this tool. The tool takes prompts from you and generates an image with text. You can edit the logo or image by adding a certain style. Now let us try to create a logo for our channel. We'll write the required prompt. We'll press the Generate button. We'll choose the appropriate style, and you can edit. We'll show our new channel logo now. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel to encourage us to create more